Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change language of Facebook Messenger. So let's start. First, open the Messenger app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner. Here you will see that Messenger is now on English. Now let me show you how you can change the language. Now close the Messenger app and open Settings. Now scroll down and search for Language and Input. If you don't find it here, then tap on General Management. Now tap on Language and Input. Then tap on Language. Here you can see I have already added 2 extra languages. Now to add a new language, tap on Add Language and select the language you like. I'll just select French. Now tap on Set as Default. And your phone language will be changed to French. Now give it some time and close the app. Now your phone is translating to French, so it will take a few moments. Now open Messenger. And here you can see that the language of Messenger is changed to French. Now let's change the language again. And this time let's select Bangla and tap on Apply. And the phone language is set to Bangla right now. Now let's close the app. Now open Messenger. Here you will see that the language of Messenger is now changed to Bangla. And that's how you can change the language of Facebook Messenger. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.